Rain. Something we all experience. Sometimes it feels peaceful, sometimes terrifying. But here's the truth. Not all rain is the same. Some types are harmless, and some can actually destroy cities. Before we understand types of rain, we need to understand how rain is formed. It all starts with water evaporation. Heat from the sun turns water into vapor that rises into the sky. As it rises, it cools down, forming clouds made of tiny droplets. Now here's the key part. When these droplets collide and grow bigger, gravity pulls them down as rain. And depending on temperature, wind, rain behaves very differently. Drizzle is the softest form of rain. The droplets are extremely tiny, less than 0.5 millimeter. They fall so slowly that they almost feel like floating. This usually happens in low clouds called stratus clouds. This is the kind of rain people love. Sprinkle. Sprinkle is even lighter than drizzle. Just a few drops. Random, short-lived. It's so weak that sometimes the ground doesn't even get wet properly. Light rain. Light rain is steady and gentle. The drops are bigger than drizzle, but still not strong enough to cause problems. It's perfect for crops, and often considered good rain. Showers. Showers are unpredictable. They start suddenly and stop just as quickly. This happens when warm air rises rapidly, creating unstable clouds. That's why weather apps often say scattered showers. Heavy rain. Now things start getting serious. Heavy rain means large droplets, falling at a high rate. Roads can flood within minutes. Drainage systems get overwhelmed. This is where rain becomes a problem. Torrential rain. Torrential rain is extreme. It's continuous, powerful, and often linked with storms or monsoons. In countries like India, this can lead to floods, landslides, and major damage. This isn't just weather anymore. It's a natural force. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is not just rain. It's a complete energy system. Warm air rises rapidly, forming massive clouds called cumulonimbus. Inside these clouds, electric charges build up, and then lightning strikes. They can damage buildings and even be life-threatening. Hail. Hail is one of the most fascinating types of rain. Instead of water, ice falls from the sky. This happens when strong winds push water droplets high into freezing temperatures. They freeze, fall, get pushed up again, and grow layer by layer. That's why hailstones can sometimes become as big as golf balls. Mist isn't technically rain, but it's closely related. It's made of tiny water droplets suspended in the air. It reduces visibility and creates that dreamy atmosphere. Here are some facts you probably didn't know. Rain doesn't actually fall straight. Wind changes its direction. No two raindrops are exactly the same. The smell after rain? It's called petrichor. Science is everywhere, even in rain. So next time you see rain, don't ignore it. Observe it, because what looks simple is actually a complex natural process. If you want to understand the world in a simple way, subscribe now, because science isn't boring, it's everywhere.